Hey guys, in this video I'm going to talk about this website where you can earn up to $18 per day by doing simple tasks, completing surveys, playing games, and so much more. Yes, it's easy to sign up, but if you are new to this channel, my name is Gloria, and on this channel, I talk about different ways on how to make money online. Yes, so if that's what you are looking for, please don't forget to like, to comment, and to subscribe. Yes, and don't forget to press that bell notification so that anytime I post something, you will get, you'll be the first one to get notified. Let's get into the video. Guys, this website I was telling you about is Freecash website. Yes, it's called Freecash. Maybe you've heard about it from somebody, or maybe you've seen it on YouTube, but I'm going to show you very many different ways you can earn from this website. There are so many bonuses they can give you. As you can see here, there are so many offers you can earn from. But before you start earning, you're supposed to sign up on this website. Yes, you're supposed to sign up. If you already have an account, you just go to sign in, you sign in into your account. But if you are new and you want to sign up, you just go here on sign up. I will leave a link in the description below for signing up on this free cash website so that you can join through my link, and you also get a bonus if you join through my link. So if you want to sign up, it's very simple and easy. You just put in your email, your password, you agree to the privacy policy, the terms and everything, then you can sign up, or you can sign up using Google. Yes, if you already have an email with Google, you can sign up with that. And that's how the sign up process is. So when you create an account, you will also get bonuses for signing up. Yes, you will get a bonus for signing up. They tell you here on the website that you create an account, open the free cash open the free case and win up to $250. As you see, guys, I told you you can earn up to $18 per day. See, now you are just joining, but you have a chance to win up to $250. Yes, so when you finish joining, I told you I will leave the link in the description below so you can join through my link. Yes, so you get access to this box, or let us call it a case, as they call it, free case. You join and get this free case. So if you are so much like, you can really win up to $250 or up to $2.50 or 25 cents or 5 cents. Yes, so that's how you sign up for this free cash website. And another ways you can earn from these all games, you can play them. So if you play this game, you can earn up to $12. If you play this game, you can earn up to 200 you can earn up to $277. When you play this game, you can earn up to $77. Yes, there are so many games that you can play here. Yes, so it depends on you which game you want to go with. As are quizzes that you can do daily. They also have offer partners, so you can open these offers one by one and choose the games that you want to play. Some of them you watch adverts and you get paid, like this time wall. You can watch adverts, play games, complete tasks, and get paid. Yes. So there are so many offer partners here that you can join and start earning. Even this one here, you get paid for viewing videos, and they will pay you money. Yes, so all of these, they are offers that you can join and start winning. Some of them you just sign up apps, you just download apps, install them, and sign up, and you get paid. Then another way you can earn from this website is through doing surveys. Yes, as you can see, these are survey partners, as it's written here, survey partners. So you can join these surveys. All the surveys you answer, you get paid. That's also another way you can earn from this website. As I told you, there are so many ways you can use this website to earn up to $18 per day. It depends. Some people even earn more. Others can earn up to $400 a month. If it depends, because they also sometimes have promotions they are doing. So these are the surveys that you can do on this website to also get paid via surveys. Yes, as I showed you, these are the offers that you can join. Yes, so these are the offer wars that you can join. There are so many here that you can join them and start earning instantly. Yes, you start earning instantly. As you see this one, you just sign up, do a video, then you earn this money. All of these ones, as you can see, you just sign up, you choose the one that you want, and they are both on Android, they are also on Apple, and some of them you can do on the computer. So you choose the one that you want to use. It depends on you. Yes, it depends on what you as a person you want to use. Yes, also another way you can earn from this platform, they have a section for rewards. Yes, you get rewarded. It's like you, as you see these daily bonuses. So there are daily bonuses they give you every day. If you reach a certain amount of money in that particular day, you get rewarded. Yes, like if in that day you earn up to $1. As you see, they say earn up to $1 more a day. Yes, then you can earn 2 cents as a daily bonus. You will see it here. It's like a ladder. It will be going up. They will show you if you earn up to $1 a day, then you can get this 1 cent. The next day, if you earn one more dollar, then you can get this 2 cents. You can get all these daily bonuses up to $5. Yes, each day as you go on earning every day. If you can earn up to $1 and more, you will be getting all these daily bonuses from 1 cent. They go increasing up to $5. That's also another way earning from this website. Yes. So you when you earn $1 every day, you come here and claim your daily bonus. Yes, you come here, you claim your daily bonus. That's also another way of earning. Yes, that also increases your chances of earning more each day. Yes, then another way you can earn from this platform is by doing referrals. Yes, by telling a friend about this good news. Yes, so anybody who joins through your link, they get a joining bonus. You also make a commission. So another way you can earn from is doing affiliate marketing for this platform. It's also a good way. As guys, I said, to support me and this channel, yes, you can use the link I'm going to leave in the description below to join. You can join through my link and you will also get a bonus. That's also another way that you can join. You can tell a sister, a brother, a friend. You send them your link after you've joined so that they can also earn. Yes. So let us talk about how you can cash out. Of course, when you work, you need to get paid your money. So there are so many. One thing I love about this website, there are so many ways that you can get paid. You can get paid via PayPal, Bitcoin, all these payment methods of cryptocurrencies, and they also have a bank transfer. If you where you are, you don't have a PayPal, the only access you have is a bank transfer. If you don't want crypto, because these ones are for crypto, those ones who want to get paid through crypto. But if you don't want crypto, you can also use a bank transfer, and some of them you're supposed to reach up to $5 to cash out all of them. And they also have this AirTM. I like this one because it's all over so many countries right now, and so many websites are are putting this method as their payment method. Yes, it's also good. I did a video about it, so if you want to join, if you want to cash out, you can use it. Yes, and you can get gift cards. All of these ones, they are gift cards that you can get. when you want to cash out your money. So it depends on you. It depends on you what you want. Yes, it depends on you what you want. When you sign up and you finish earning, you can cash out your money through those payment methods. As I've shown you, this free cash app, you can either use it on your phone or on a computer, so it depends on which one you want. Yes, it depends on what is good for you. As I've shown you, there are so many ways you can earn from this website. Yes, there are so many ways that you can earn from it. Yes, so many ways, so it depends on you. Yes, so guys, if you want to join, don't forget to use my link. I'm going to leave it in the description below. And don't forget, please, to like, comment, subscribe, and give this video a thumbs up if it has really helped you. Yes, and if you guys you want me to do a video when of a payment proof when I'm cashing out, you can also put it in the comment section below. Yes, and if you've tried this website and it really worked for you, please don't forget to put it in the comment section below so that we can encourage others so that they can start earning and we make our lives better. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Yes.